Not your parents' tax forms. Hello, and welcome to Not Your Parents' Tax Forms. The Not Your Family's Workshop series is brought to you by AmeriCorps and the Cincinnati Public Allies. To learn more, visit nyfworkshops.com/about. Hello, I am Raven Nelson. I will be leading this series. I am a tax accountant with 5 years of experience preparing individual, corporation, and not for profit tax returns. I am currently working as a payroll tax specialist for a company, and my goal is to become an enrolled agent through the IRS by the end of 2020. Filing taxes and forms. Tax forms, the W 2. The W 2 form is the form that an employer must send to an employee and the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS, at the end of the year. The W 2 form reports an employee's annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from his or her paycheck. As you can see on the right hand side of the screen, this is a sample of what a W 2 form would look like. This is one of the forms that you must have on hand to complete your annual tax return. Tax forms, the W 4. Form W 4 is an Internal Revenue Service, the IRS, tax form that is filled out by the employees to indicate their tax situation to their employer. The W 4 form tells the employer the amount of tax to withhold from an employee's paycheck based on their marital status, the number of allowances and dependents, and other factors. As you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, this is a sample of the W-4 form. This is a form that you would complete when you start a new job or if your tax situation changes at your current job. Tax forms, 1099. This is a statement sent to the IRS and taxpayers by the payers of dividends and interest and by issuers of taxable original issue discount securities. A form that payers of dividends send to payees and to the IRS declaring the amount of dividends, interest, and similar payments made to payees in a given tax year. The 1099 form is a series of documents the Internal Revenue Service refers to as information returns. There are a number of different 1099 forms that report the various types of income you may receive throughout the year other than the salary your employer pays you. The person or entity that pays you is responsible for filling out the appropriate 1099 tax form and sending it to you by January 31st. On the right hand side of the screen, you will see this is one of the types of 1099s that you may receive if you are an independent contractor or self employed. This is called the 1099 miscellaneous income. Tax forms 1098E. This is a form published by the IRS that one uses to report tax deductible tuition paid to a qualified educational institution and student loan interest that is paid in a year. This form is reported to the IRS and sent to the party paying the tuition. On the right hand side of the screen, you will see a sample of a 1098E. Tax forms, the 1040. This is the U.S. individual income tax return, which is an annual income tax return filed by citizens or residents of the United States. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see that this is a sample of what the U.S. 1040 form would look like. Give us your feedback. We hope that this video was informative and helpful. Please make sure to complete an evaluation survey at nyfworkshops.com/evaluation. These evaluations will help us determine if this video series should continue and how we can improve the content of future workshops. Participants who complete at least 3 evaluations by May the 22nd, 2020 will be entered into a raffle to win a $25 gift card. Thanks for watching our video. If you're looking to learn more life skills, check out the rest of our videos. And please send any questions to nyfworkshops@gmail.com. Special thanks to the following individuals and organizations for providing the information and resources to make this video.